Hi, this is Anne Morales, a proud mom of a grade 6 student of Darwin International School. As a mom and as a parent, ang first consideration natin lagi is their education. We want to give them the best education as much as possible. Kaya nung magtitrina yung anak namin, nag-iisip na kami, saan ba magandang pumasok? Highly recommended sa amin ng Darwin. That's when we decided to give it a go. Dun sa first year ng anak ko, napansin ko na very warm, accommodating, approachable, at magagaling yung teachers. Kaya sabi ko, we made the right choice. What I like about Darwin is very complex yung teachings nila. Nakafocus sila sa academics, and students are learning in advance. In the past 8 years ng anak ko sa school na yan, napansin ko, masaya siya.
Magulang sa tiwalang dakila.